Hi everyone, hope you are doing very well and you are following my lectures. I am very happy. Hope you are learning daily. Okay, that is also the reason why I am happy. Now we will see another question. Okay, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will the number be always divisible? First, try to understand the question properly. They are saying that a number is there, it is divisible by 5 and it is divisible by 12. Okay, and they are asking by which other number will the number is divisible. Okay, this is what the question. For entering into this question, we have to take a small example and see. Okay, now let us take a number 24. 24 is the number. 24 is the number. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because the last digit is 4. For divisible by 2, the number should be either end with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. If any number ends with this as a units digit, then definitely it will be divisible by 2. Okay. Then is it divisible by 3? Obviously yes. What is the condition? The sum of the digit, the sum of the numbers should be divisible by 3. Here 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 that equal to 6. 6 is divisible by 3. How 3 into 2 equal to 6? So this is divisible by 6. Now with the same thing, 24 is divisible by what number means? With what number means? We know that divisibility by 6 condition. Divisible by 6 means it needs to divisible by 2. At the same time it needs to divisible by 3. Then only we can say a number is divisible by 6. So this number must be divisible by 6. How 6 into 4 equal to 24, right? So how we have got 6? It should be divisible by 2 and same thing it should be divisible by 3. So 2 into 3 equal to 6. Understand concept, right? So here also, if any number, if it is divisible by 5, if it is divisible by 12, then it must be divisible by 12 into 5. What is the 12 into 5 value? 5 2s are 10, 5 ones are 5, 6, 60. So this number should be definitely 60. If a number is divisible by both 5 and 12, then that number must be divisible by 60. So that is how we got. Okay. Okay. This is a simple technique which we need to know. This will help in solving faster examples in the exam. Okay. So now we will take two examples and solve this. Okay. So the answer is 60, but example I am taking, take number 120. 120, is it divisible by 5? Yes. Okay. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 14s are. Okay. 5 into 14 equal to 120. So 120 is divisible by 5. Then 5 into we check same 120 by 12. 12 into 10 equal to 120. So 5 is divisible, 12 is divisible. Then 60 into 2 equal to 120. So 120 is divisible by all the three numbers 5, 12 and 60. Same way, take 60 as example. 5 into 12 equal to 60. 12 into 12 into 5 equal to 60. 60 into 1 equal to 60. So here the number 60 is divisible by all the three numbers 5, 12 and 60. Okay. Likewise, if you want, you can cross check the answer also. Okay. Thank you.